The market is up for 5 days. Where are we headed? Have we reversed? Check this out. Hey guys, good afternoon from Dubai. It's my second to the last day here. It's our last session of Stock Smart's UAE. I fly back tomorrow in Manila, getting ready for our Stock Smart sessions over the weekend. But before that, let me update you on what's happening in the markets in general. Please take note of this. No, it's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of a slew of buying. For those who are following the charts, now we have 5 straight days of a white candle movement. This is a very bullish candlestick movement, especially for those who are following the market on a day-to-day basis. This is a very good sign though that there's still evidence of a larger amount of buying that's happening in our markets as a whole. But here's the thing, what made that go up is at around 6,840. If you notice the charts, you're seeing a level of support there. So as what we all know, the goal and the technique of all of this is as long as the markets are hitting support levels, regardless of what news items you see, you can expect that there should be a push upward still. Our goal at the end of the day, if you want to follow it from a trend perspective, if you want to follow it from a price and momentum perspective, is just follow what the charts are saying. So the fundamentals really, as of this point in time, it's really not as compelling yet, as you don't have any evidence yet of any macroeconomic change, any macroeconomic shift showing you that there's something changing in our economy that should cause you to buy higher. But here's what we know. At 6,800, the market is actually saying that it's relatively cheaper already. So that's why you've seen it already from the bounce last October to the one that we had mid-November. The market is showing us that it's now seeing confirmatory signals that 6,840 is an area where the market perceives it to be cheap. That's one. So number two, as the market started moving up, as we started see it go higher, the movement up has been accompanied by money coming in, meaning the movement up, the bounce from the 6,840 support is something that's relatively legitimate. As you all know, also at around 640, it was relatively oversold already, meaning people are buying it because at that point in time we are just cheap, not so compelling yet because nothing much has changed from a valuation standpoint that there's something compelling to buy us higher. Now let's look at more of the charts. You see the stock start to break out from a slew of more moving averages. It broke already 2 short-term moving averages, and it broke already the support at the 7,250 range. So this makes it more, I guess, more positive already for those that are following the market as a whole. Today's movement also in the past few days, where we saw a lot of white candles, it saw that it was also accompanied by volume. So money was moving in, and volume was also pretty much part of the movement that we're seeing now. Price and momentum oscillators are also confirming that there's a change in direction. Price and momentum oscillators are also confirming that there's a change and movement upward. However, what we haven't seen yet is it really hasn't confirmed yet that the market has reversed. It really must break out of significant resistances yet before we actually see it go higher, reverse higher, and actually move stronger as well. So please take note of this. There is a resistance at the 7,365 level. I repeat, there is a resistance at the 7,365 level that the market must break out of 7,365 before we can actually see it move higher, cross higher, and push up. So 7,365. Then after that, there's another resistance at around the 7,480 level. So 7,365, then 7,480. Then after that, you have another one at 7,675 as a price level that you can consider as a resistance as a whole. So number one, the market hasn't reversed yet. We are really not as bullish yet, but you're seeing a change in direction because a lot of a lot of the parameters are showing that it's cheaper than where it was before. So that's one, there's a change in direction. Number two, it's still not strong to cause us to believe that it's more bullish. Hi. Okay. Hey guys, so I got interrupted a bit earlier. We aren't allowed pala to place videos there, but let's continue it and let's just finish the video. That number one, we still haven't reversed yet. We must break out of those strong moving averages yet for us to actually confirm that we have started to reverse already. But what we do know now is that there's a push up from oversold levels, that there's a push up from the support at 6,840, and just reference the resistances that I've mentioned earlier, that the next target prices will be those prices that we need to push up and go above those levels for us to successfully reverse, not just now but for the mid to long term perspective. So this is a good bounce from oversold levels. This is a good bounce from a relatively stronger support, but it's not yet enough evidence to actually prove that we are reversing at a higher level. Again, there's still a very strong resistance at around the 8.1 level and around the 7.677 where the 200-day moving average is. So we need to go above that first to actually warrant a stronger movement upward. So that's it. Thank you so much to everyone from Dubai, Abu Dhabi who made their way to our sessions here in StockSmart's UAE. It's always fun. It's nice to be part of your journey towards financial freedom. And I do hope that it's something that you can use. It's something that will help you so that you guys not just work here, but it's a paradigm shift that as you're working here, you can position, make more, and let your money work hard for you. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo from Dubai. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye-bye. Guys, ito yung mga kasama kong coffee. Sila yung, lalo na si Pablo, siya yung sobrang yaman, di ba? Nalala nyo? Oh,